Yes, in this module we are going to discuss, that is, in the adjacent figure, BE is perpendicular to DA. So this line is perpendicular to DA. What they are given, that, write that one. BE is perpendicular to DA and CD is perpendicular to DA and CD is perpendicular to DA. Then what we have to prove is, right, to prove that CD is perpendicular to DA, and right to prove what is that is M angle 1 is congruent to M angle 3. So these two angles are congruent to each other, we have to show. So actually what is that here is angle D. So whatever they are given, CD and BE are both are perpendicular to DA. That means, so CD is parallel to BE. So this one and these two are parallel to each other. That parallel to each other means here whatever angle it is there, so this is equal to this one. All the corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding angles are equal, like that. So here angle D will be equal to angle E, that will be equal to 90 degrees. That one they are given. Then here CD is parallel to BE. Then what is transversal? The DB is transversal here. This is transversal. Thus DB is transversal to CD and BE. So these are the transversal. Then angle 1, let's take here angle 1. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 3, that is angle 1, M angle 1 is congruent to M angle 3. So by how means the two are alternate interior angles? By alternate interior angles are equal. So based on that we can say, like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So in this module we are going to discuss, that is fifth one, find the value of x and y for which the lines AD and BC have become parallel. So what they are telling is AD is parallel to BC. From which criterion we can say here is, so here what you can say here is angle A and angle B. So here this angle and this angle are, what you can say, these two are alternate interior angles. So if you extend like this, we can understand. So here this angle inside and opposite side, alternate interior angles. From alternate interior angles, what you can say here is 2x degree will be equal to 5y degrees. 2x will be equal to 5y degrees. That one we can take it as, here you can do 2x minus 5y will be equal to 0. Like this we can take. Let's take this as equation 1. Then our next one is, so here it will come as 30 degrees. Why? Because it will be, take it as vertically opposite angles. So from vertically opposite angles, what you can say here is 30 degree. Here angle A will be equal to 30 degree, like that. From alternate interior angles, what you can say here is this angle will be equal to 30 degrees. That is x minus y will be equal to 30 degrees. Then what you can say here is, let's going to solve this is as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, what is that is multiply with the equation 2 with second one. So what is this? So multiply second equation with the 2. What is that here is? So let's check here by using of alternate interior angles are equal. Then equation 2 multiplying with the 2. Why? Because here 2x is there, here 2x and 2x. So here multiply equation 2 with 2. Why? Because here 2x is there, for that equation 2. What is that? 2 into x minus y, that will be equal to 2 into 30. That will be 2x minus 2y will be equal to 60 degrees. Like this we need to solve. So let's take here, solve equation 1 and 2. How to solve here is, let's take subtraction, that is 2x 1 minus 2 we will going to do. 2x minus 5y will be equal to 0. Then 2x minus 2y will be equal to 60 degrees. Then what you can take it here is, subtraction means symbols will going to change. So here we can take 2 minus 1 also, plus 2x minus 2x will going to cancel, minus 5y plus 2y will be equal to 0 minus 60. So minus 5y minus 2y will become minus 3y will be equal to minus 60. Then this minus minus will going to cancel. Then what you can write here as 3y will be equal to 60. Then y will be equal to 60 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 2 threes are. Then y will be equal to 20 degrees. So y will be equal to 20 degrees. Then what is that? X minus y will be equal to 30. So x minus y will be equal to 30 degrees. Then x minus y will be 20, that is 30. Then x will be equal to 30 plus 20 degrees, that will be equal to 50 degrees. Let's take x will be equal to 50 degrees. Like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Or you can go with another method. What is that? Is from alternate interior angles and vertically opposite angles. What we told, these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So 5y will be equal to 2x degrees. Then what you can see here is, so x will be equal to 5 by 2 into y degrees. We got x in the format of y, and x minus y will be equal to 30 degrees. So substitute this x value here. Then what you will get here is 5 by 2y minus y will be equal to 30 degrees. Then let's take LCM. 5y minus 2y by 2 will be equal to 30 degrees. Then what you will get here is 3y will be equal to 60 degrees. Then y will be equal to 60 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So that is y will be equal to 20 degrees. Like this also we can solve. And what is the condition? Y value, x will be equal to 5 by 2 into 20 degrees. That is 5 by 2 into y. So based on that, 5 2s are 100. Then 100 by 2, 2 ones are, 2 50s are. So that implies x will be equal to 50 degrees. Like this also we can solve.